In other news, the Department of Public Works and Highways today explained the controversial C5 road extension project. Amid a double allocation pointed out by Senator Lacson, the department believes that 400 million pesos is not even enough for its completion. JP Soriano on Q.
While Senator Panfilo Lacson is questioning the supposed double appropriation for the C5 extension amounting to 400 million pesos, Department of Public Works and Highways Hermogenes Ebdani says the amount is actually not enough. By the estimates of the DPWH, half of the sum will go to the construction of the flyover along Sucat Road. The remaining 200 million pesos for the road connecting Carino Avenue to the coastal road. It's part of the government's vision to connect both the North and South Luzon expressways via C5. All that remains is to connect the SLEX and coastal road.
If they give us that 400 million, magpapasalamat kami. Kasi because if you look at that road segment, mahaba yan eh.
In total, the project fetches a hefty 2.7 billion pesos for the completion of the SLEX interchange in Parañaque, as well as to pay off owners of private lands to be hit by the road's right-of-way. Billions of pesos of taxpayers' money were already spent to connect the 51-kilometer C5 road to the North and South Luzon expressways. But critics are asking, is this road paved merely with good intentions? One such skeptic is Attorney Ernesto Francisco, lawyer of Senator Jamboy Madrigal, who is on Lacson's side. Francisco says real estate developers like the company of Senate President Manny Villar stands to earn huge profits from such projects.
From 1992 to 2003, ang halaga ng lupang yon ay umakyat from 1,000 pesos to 1,500 pesos per square meter sa mahigit 20,000 pesos per square meter. Isang dahilan ay dinaanan yung lupang ito ng C5 link.
Tumataas ang presyo dahil may kalye. Isang bagay na kasi kami naman bilang pinakamalaking home builder, halos lahat ng major roads sa Pilipinas, sa Metro Manila, meron kaming project. Hindi naman nawawalan yan eh. Talaga hinahanap namin kung saan magkakaroon ng potential buyer at doon kami naglalagay. Hindi ka naman pwede maglalagay ka ng project doon sa mga walang nakakapunta o nakakarating. Kaya hindi naman nakakagulat yan.
JP Soriano, reporting on Q.